welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taylah and I make scrunchies and bows. I've been doing so for 10 years now. In today's vlog, I'm going to be opening up my toy capsule vending machine. You know, my biggest regret from going to Japan was not buying one of these things, but the big version, not this one. They had these ones which probably stood about yay big, and it was $100, not even, I think it was like $90 Australian, and that is my biggest regret not purchasing that and like bringing it back on the plane with me, because yeah, now the ones that are online, they're like over $200. My idea for that vending machine was to bring it to markets with me and put like little scrunchies or like bows and stuff in them, and yeah, it was just like a cool idea to have. So hopefully this year I'll try and get that one, because yeah, I know you can purchase the exact same one online. It's just going to be like double the price, and I'll get that, and I would probably introduce that one in a different video. This specific one I wanted to purchase because it is very small, but I want to put like little notes in these little bowls if they open. I'm not really positive if these ones open just yet. If they don't, I'll have to purchase some different openable capsules. What I was thinking, I would put things to do like for video ideas to make things, have like a video series on my vending machine and like twisting it and seeing what comes out. So like things like, you know, make a dress or make a cushion cover, make a tote bag, and I don't know how often I'll be able to do it, maybe once a month. I would hope for 2. I don't know, I think I might be pushing it if I do that. Spin it and then make whatever it says to make, and then make that a video. It's just like luck of the draw sort of thing. I don't know, I thought it was a pretty fun idea. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. We're gonna open it. So this is pretty much what it looks like. It cost me, I think, $17. So cute! So I was thinking with all like the stickers and stuff, I can also put my own stickers on there. I feel like these definitely can't be opened. Let's have a look. They're like marbles. Oh wait, yes they can! Oh, how good's that? That's awesome. They're actually really easy to open. Ooh. This thing is so cute. I want to try and get more of these little balls. Wonder if I can order more. They are so adorable. Okay, I definitely feel like I want to maybe create stuff now. Like, make it pretty. I don't know what to put on it. I think I'm going to go to the drawing board and come back when I've got some ideas. For starters, I'm going to decorate the front. Firstly by trying to maybe, like, I might try and do something with this, and then maybe try and remove these stickers or like put a sticker over the top sort of thing. I'm actually so happy that these are easy to open. I have spoken too soon. This one's really hard to open. Oh wait, there we go. I just had an idea. I could use those stickers. I'm thinking one of these little bows. I don't know. I think I might just leave it blank. I'll just leave the little bow there and that's about it. Alright, I've looked high and low for balls this size, and you think I can find them? No. I don't know, I'm just gonna have to use the ones I have, and then I guess whenever I do one, put one back in with a new thing. These are what I printed out. I won't tell you them all because that kind of ruins the fun of it, I think, if I tell you all the things that I'm doing. So I'll just tell you a couple. So there's one like puff quilt that's going to take me a lot longer than a day. But then there's also ones like a tote bag. So yeah, there's some that are really big and some that are really small. I don't know how that's going to go for me, to be honest, but we will see. So I'm just going to cut all these up into small little segments so I can roll them up and put them in these little bowls. I do have a few extra ones, so I'm just going to put them at the bottom. Alright, so that's my little vending machine all ready to go. I don't really know what's in here. Like, I mean, I do, but I don't. I did put half of them underneath, so then when I do make the product, I can just, yeah, do a new one, put it back in. I would have liked to have found more little balls, but I couldn't find them online. Yeah, that's the end of this video. Let me know if you have any ideas what I should put in here. I mean, a lot of you will probably say the things I've already got in here, but if there's any different things, I'd love to hear it anyway, so I can get some more ideas. And if you're excited for this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you can see what I make with the little vending machine. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye!